Hello and welcome guys and Grustage. Today we have Honor 7C. So maybe we have this device before anybody else. What do you think? Okay, so let's take an overview of this packet right now. So this is Honor 7C. I just took it from China and here you guys can see it has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage and LNDAL30. And here EMUI number and many other stuffs. Left hand side we have Honor 7C logo, up Honor logo, right Honor 7C, and back of this side we have soy ink because of this product has been made out from soya. That's it, and powered by Huawei and eco engineer label, many other stuff. So let's open this beauty package right now. Ta-da-da! Whoa! See, let's have a closer look of this phone. This is Honor 7C, guys. How amazingly finished this device. Wow, it's really amazing. Here we have Honor 7X also. If you look closely, you can see a little bit difference over here. It has dual cameras and flash also. So you can see it's really amazing. This is dual tone dual LED flash, and this also should be dual tone dual LED flash. And secondary noise cancellation mic is here. Looks quite similar. Antenna line also over here, and front side also kind of similar, and screen size also I think quite similar, guys, but this device is little bit more thick than Huawei Honor 7X. It's really clear over here. So now let's turn on this device. Honor powered by Android, and in between let's have a closer look what we have got inside this packet. And this is the SIM tray, and this is EMUI number, starter guidance book, that is nothing. And we have got charging cable. This is USB 2.0 charger. This is a little cute charger. So it has 5 volt and 1 ampere. And yeah, so I'm not pretty sure that it does support quick charging or not, so we'll be trying this one later. So these are the products that I have got from the packet. So guys, the phone has been started, so let's have a closer look of the SIM tray. Here you can put 2 SIM cards together and 1 micro SD card also, so that's really amazing. And let's have a closer look of the system that we got from this device. If you go into the system settings about the phone, you can see Honor 7C, LNDAL30, EMUI version 8, Android version 8, CPU Snapdragon 450, and we have got 3 GB of RAM, and phone storage is 32 GB, and we have got 21 GB, but I installed so many apps right now. Here you can see, so around 22 GB or 23 GB we got when we started this phone. Now let's have a closer look of the fingerprint sensor right away. How does it work? So it's really fast, guys. See, it's really fast. Now let's have a closer look of the Face ID. Face ID also works really good. There is no problem. You can see my all fingers are here, and this is my thumb finger. So I close it, it's opening. And if I put my finger over here, it cannot see. You use fingerprint to unlock because my face is blocked right now with the camera. See, recognizing face, and it's open. And you can see here, recognizing face, there is no face. I put my face and it's open. So this is really amazing. Everything is super fast here with Android 8.0 EMUI version 8.0, Face ID, then finger sensor ID. So you can unlock your phone by 3 methods, either your face, then your fingerprint sensor, and 3 is using your pin code that you have, just like this one. So that is no problem. So now let's talk about the phone a little bit more. Here you guys find a LED notification light over here, and there is a sensor. This is the camera, front camera, and this is the flash with front camera. So that's really amazing to snap a picture or video, something like that. And if you go to the right side, this is the power button, and here volume rocker. Down we have got the loudspeaker, primary mic, USB 2.0, 3.5mm jack, and left hand side the SIM tray. And up we have got nothing, and down we have got 2 cameras and flash and secondary noise cancellation mic and fingerprint sensor, and here Huawei Honor branding. So that's pretty amazing. So now let's snap some picture. This is the front camera, guys. This is the back camera, guys. Now we're shooting this video by using Honor 7C front camera. What is the quality, guys? What do you think? Please let me know. Now I'm shooting this video by using the back camera from Honor 7C. So let me know the video quality from this camera right now. Okay guys, that was the camera sample. If I talk about the screen resolution, it has 720 into 1440 pixel of resolution, and of course 18:9 aspect ratio display. That's a really amazing thing. But the resolution is 720p. This is a little bit downside according to my opinion. So guys, the camera resolution, this one is 13 megapixel and that one is depth sensor 2 megapixel, and the front camera is 8 megapixel. That's really good thing. And the battery is 3000 milliampere battery, and the price would be 140 euros up and down. So guys, that was the quick unboxing and hands-on review from Huawei Honor 7C. If you have any video request with Honor 7C versus Honor 7X or Honor 9 Lite or Nokia 7 Plus or Nokia 6, please let me know into the comment section below. I'll be doing that kind of video for you. And don't forget to subscribe, because I think we are the first here to bring this phone into YouTube platform from the very first time. So you know the pain behind this. So I hope you understand and support our channel. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Till then, take care and peace in.